At the Inland Empire Law Group, we often get telephone calls from people who think they have medical malpractice cases. So what is a medical malpractice case? It involves three things. It involves negligence, causation, and damages. When you're looking to decide whether you have a medical malpractice case, you as an individual, you want to look at that third one first. Did you suffer significant damages, or your loved ones suffer significant damages? If you didn't, there's really nothing a malpractice attorney can do for you, because even though the doctor may have committed an error, may have caused some level of damage, the cost associated with bringing a case against a doctor for a small claim is too great, and no lawyer will be able to bring that case because of limitations on damages and different things like that. And so you want to focus first on damages. Take a look at what injury did you suffer, or did your loved one suffer? Is it a wrongful death? Is it a paralysis? Is it a loss of a limb? Is it serious medical conditions? Are you not able to return to work? Anything of significance that may result in damages, let's say above $100,000, then you want to take it to the next step. And that is, you want to contact a medical malpractice attorney to evaluate your case and determine whether there's a connection between what the doctor did and the damages that were suffered. Oftentimes, and more than you would think, sometimes the damages that you suffer are not directly related to any malpractice error. Sometimes it's just the result of a natural consequence that has nothing to do one with the other. And that's where you want a good malpractice lawyer to evaluate your case long before you decide to bring that case to court. 80% of all the cases brought in California for medical malpractice are lost by the person that brings them to trial. Why? Because there's no case there. And unfortunately, some of the lawyers don't evaluate that well enough to make that decision long before. And then you're left with lots of costs and expense that you didn't need, especially recovering from some kind of an injury or some kind of a problem. Now you've got complications of expenses that you've had to pay out and costs that have been incurred by the other side, and now they're your responsibility. So you want to make sure to look for a good malpractice attorney that can give you a good evaluation and help you decide whether you're going to bring that case to trial.